Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the Hagen traditional safety razor. It's a limited lifetime warranty, which I'm going to go over. And this product comes with one razor and 5 stainless steel razor blades. So I will show you that in a minute. It's an 85mm handle. And here are some instructions if you want to pause the video and take a look at it. I will review this product, my thoughts on it. And if you're interested, I will leave in the description down below a link if you'd like to purchase this item. So as you can see right here, the instructions is to twist the bottom of the handle to open, carefully remove the razor blades from the protective covering and place in razor head. Twist the bottom of the handle until head closes completely for best results. Alright, so let's jump into it. This is the razor blade where it came from. It's kind of unique because when you want to open it, it's kind of difficult to open. You got to kind of pop it in. It didn't have instructions in opening this, so it's very difficult initially to open. You can see some lettering. This is razor blades, and then on the bottom, insert used blades. So that's good. It has a slot to put used blades in there, but even on the front, it doesn't say how to open. It does have some arrows or whatnot, but they're very difficult to put out. This is the razor blade product right here. I just put a brand new razor blade inside of it, and you just go ahead and twist this bottom piece right here. So where my finger's rubbing right there, you just twist it to open it, and you also twist it to close it. So let me go ahead and try, if I could, with one hand. It's going to be difficult to close this up. Alright, I went ahead and closed it up. Very easy, very intuitive. In terms of the razor blade, you can see right here on the edge, there's another razor blade right there on the other end of it. Let me go ahead and clarify right there. Very nice handle, very nice in terms of the razor blade feeling. I'm going to go ahead and shave and show you guys how it shaves. I'm gonna go ahead and show you right here. I've got a little patch, so I have conditioned it already with if you see some white stuff, that is what do you call it, a shea butter, to make the hair soft and kind of easy to shave. And it's been on there for a few minutes now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wet the blade, and I will go ahead and shave. Okay, not too bad. It's okay. It's not shaving too much off of it. Very unique. As a shaving, I don't know. I don't know if I'm using it properly, to be frank with you. Actually, you know what? I think I might have to go up. So let's try going up. So it shaves a lot better going up, but in my opinion, let's see. Well, it shaves pretty closely. Let's go ahead and continue here on the bottom area. So, does it shave? Yeah. Does it shave really well in comparison to, let's say, a Gillette razor blade or whatnot? I think the Gillette razor blade shaves a lot closer than this product. As you can see right here, I have to go over it a couple times. So, is the product the best product out there? I think the Gillette razor blade is better. Unless, you know, it's not working properly. Let me see right here. Let me go here. Yeah. I don't know. Let me pause the video and let me try it out with 2 hands and see if it cuts better. Alright guys, so there's the results right here. There was some cuts on the face. I don't know if you can see it right here from the razor blade, about 2-3 spots. The face does feel like it's burning from using it. Again, it's a traditional safety razor, so it's being touted as a safety razor first and foremost. So my thoughts on it, I wouldn't personally get it. This is razor made in China. Blades are from Germany. Would I purchase this item personally? Again, no. Using the Gillette razor blades or any other razor blades, in my personal opinion, they take less time in shaving. Almost 3-4 times to go over to get it clean shaved. And with a Gillette razor, it takes maybe 1 instance with the mini blades on it. So my thoughts, I don't really recommend the razor blade, but if you're looking to purchase one and try it out yourself, I'll leave a link down below. Comment down below if you have used the Hagen safety razor blade. Let me know your thoughts. If you use a different razor blade, let me know your thoughts on that. I'd like to try it here on the channel. With that said, thank you for watching. Check you guys on the next video.